Y'all, when I tell you I am a whole kid in a freaking candy store right now, you just don't even understand. Like, literally, I put this thing together in here. So y'all know I be moving stuff around. I be so daggone busy. So I just went around and collected all my little houses that I had scattered all over the house. And courtesy of one of my beautiful family members here that started the village process. And I said, you know what? Let me put all my little houses and stuff in one general area. Okay. I put this together right out here in the girl cave. I'm using the 3-tier. I just literally went around and just grabbed little stuff from all around. Look at the light on. Look at the light on, honey. The light is on. Okay. I went around and grabbed all the things. Okay. All right. Hold up. Hold up. And I just stuck them on this tray and on my coffee table in here. And created like a legit village with stuff I already had. And again, courtesy of one of you guys. I put it together. I got Christmas videos playing in the background and lit the candle and literally started crying because you know I'm a crybaby. Like I'm a whole crybaby. This little village made me cry. I am getting old, y'all. This is a sign of getting old. Just let me know I'm not alone, honey. Let me know I am not alone. Why does this village and villages make me emotional? Can anybody, any of my psychologists, family members, let me know in the comments. Why does villages such as this, in department stores, it don't matter, make me cry? Always have. I love them. They give me the warm fuzzies. Why do they make me cry, y'all? Answer that. All y'all doctors, let me know. This is just giving me like all the vibes. And I can literally sit on this baby ass couch. And this is what I'm looking at. I'm living the high life right now. I'm so living the high life right now. Oh, I'm loving it. Hey, beautiful family. Welcome back to another video with moi. Now, y'all know sis don't want to wear no bras, honey, but I got on a sports bra. And, you want an outfit of the day? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, don't mind the wrinkles. Okay, don't mind them. But look it. It's just a little legging suit with the high splits on the side, hood in the back. Comes all the way down. And it's from SHERWIN too. Y'all, the lighting ain't ever gonna be right. Just, okay. But I'm gonna do better next year. I told y'all already. I promise y'all. Shout out to y'all for all your amazing comments on yesterday's video. I appreciate it. Good, bad, or indifferent. I appreciate it. It was a beautiful conversation. I loved you guys chiming in. By the time I was about to make it back, we had already took off on the comments, and I was like, ain't no catching up. But I'm going to just add it into today's video that I really, really, really appreciate everything y'all had to say. And I also apologize. I did not go live last night. Last night was, the bottom fell out. The bottom legit fell out, okay? She was busy. By the time I realized how late it was probably like going on 11 o'clock. I said, ain't no way. I mean, I could probably catch a few of them. Still woke, but people got to get up and go to work, Sharon. You can't be popping on live at 11, 12 o'clock at night, honey. Okay, and I'll make it up to you. I don't know how, but I'll make it up to you because I felt horrible once I looked at the time and was like, girl, listen, Christmas has taken over my life right now, which is precisely why I'm ready for it to be over. I just am. Because I get all the way in, like literally sucked in down the deep rabbit hole between Christmas and all the, you know what I mean? And that VR headset upstairs, girl, just don't even look for me. I'm drinking out of a Santa's pants mug. I guess this would be his pants because that's the belt right there. So his waist on a coffee mug. So today, Ron and I have to go shopping. We need to get something to wear to the Christmas party. I don't know what the attire is. I'm assuming just Christmas casual. I don't know, but listen, it's at a house, so I figured, let's just go comfy. Festive, but comfy. So we have to go do that today. Is there anything, should we bake something today? Do y'all want to bake? We could make some out of the box, but we could make some German chocolate cake cupcakes. I'm just on a whole cupcake thing. Give me a cupcake as opposed to a actual cake, unless it's like a 3-layer cake, 3-layer cake. Other than that, just give me a damn cupcake, okay? So do y'all want to go make some cupcakes and get all festive and stuff, or no?
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance.
Come on.
We we're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
The dishwasher is running, so if you hear that in the background, I'm sorry. So I've given you an apron of the day, an outfit of the day. We're waiting for our cupcakes to get done. I don't know how many minutes we have left, but look, we're gonna put them in this. We'll put them in this one, okay? This one has an apple pie in it. And this one is gonna hold the cupcakes. Now I already know 12 cupcakes is not gonna fit in here. So, I don't know. I forgot about this. I have this for the extras. It's gonna legit look like a bakery in here. Look, it's gonna look like a whole bakery up in this piece. But it's okay, because they will be in there long anyway, so it don't even matter. I'm gonna wash this one, and then we'll have it for the overage. Or maybe I should just use this one all together. Let's see something, hold up. So I have this cake stand, but no lid. I could maybe hot glue this on there.
Your cupcakes timer is done.
Okay. Maybe I can hot glue this on here so that it doesn't fall off. And this one will hold probably all of them. Okay. So we're going to do a quick DIY. We're going to use this cake stand with this cake plate. And just so that it don't fall off. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on the rim, I guess. And then when I get done with it, I can take it off. But just gonna put it on the rim where it's gonna be sitting at. Oops. Hopefully we don't have a disaster. Okay. Let's sit her down. Now, to ensure it, I'm going to turn it over and just add some glue right around the perimeter here to make sure we don't have a situation. So family, I hope you enjoyed today's little short ass video. My apologies. She got stuff to do today, y'all. I can't be hanging out with y'all all day. Don't be mad. Do not be mad, because I'm going to see you in the next video. I love you. Bye, y'all.